Oxidation of alkene with cold dilute acidified potassium manganate 7 KMnO4. Oxidation of alkene with cold dilute acidified potassium manganate 7 solution. Acidified potassium permanganate solution. Alkene are oxidized by cold dilute acidified potassium manganate 7 solution at room temperature to produce 1,2-dihydroxyalkane or alkanediol. Any alkene reacts with cold acidified potassium permanganate solution to produce 1,2-dihydroxyalkane or alkanediol. Now you see propene reacts with cold acidified potassium manganate 7 KMnO4 solution at room temperature to form 1,2-dihydroxypropane or propanediol. Potassium permanganate 7. How reaction happen? You see this propene reacts with cold acidified potassium permanganate solution. This active oxygen and water aqueous solution, 2 oxygen 2 hydrogen, so 2 hydroxide group form, 2 hydroxide group from this double bond becomes single bond. 1 hydroxide group is added to left hand carbon and other hydroxide group is added to right hand carbon and double bond become single bond. So as it is propene, so its name will be 1, 2, 3. 3 carbon containing alkane is propane. Number 1 carbon contain 1 hydroxy, 2 carbon contain another hydroxy, so this name will be 1,2-dihydroxypropane. 1,2-dihydroxypropane. Any alkene are oxidized by cold acidified potassium permanganate 7 solution at room temperature to form 1,4-dihydroxyalkane or alkanediol. How this reaction happen? You know, when alkene reacts with acidified potassium permanganate 7 solution to form alkanediol or 1,2-dihydroxyalkane, this double bond becomes single bond and 1 hydroxide group is added to left hand carbon. This other hydroxide group is added to right hand carbon of the carbon-carbon double bond. So this name will be 1, 2, 3, 1,2-dihydroxypropane, or you can tell propanediol. If 1 hydroxide group contain, this is all. If 2 hydroxide group contain, this will be diol. Now reagent. Reagent means alkene reacts with potassium permanganate solution, so reagent will be acidified potassium permanganate solution, or you can write acidified cold potassium permanganate solution, and condition at room temperature acidified solution and cold solution. Condition acidified cold solution and room temperature. Reaction type. This is reaction type is oxidation reaction, as oxygen is added to alkene, so this reaction is oxidation. Now if observation means if this reaction happen, what you would see, what you will observe. KMnO4 solution color is purple. Purple solution turns to colorless. So when potassium permanganate reacts, it oxidizes alkene to alkanediol but itself reduced to manganese 2 ion. Manganese 2 ion, manganese 2 ion is colorless, and manganese 7 ion, 7 plus ion is purple color. This is purple color and this is colorless. So observation will be purple solution turns to colorless. Oxidation of alkene with cold dilute acidified potassium manganate 7 solution. Alkenes are oxidized by cold dilute acidified potassium manganate 7 solution at room temperature to form dihydroxyalkane or alkanediol. Dihydroxyalkane or alkanediol. Now how this reaction happen? When alkene reacts with aqueous acidified cold dilute KMnO4, dihydroxyalkane is formed. This active oxygen come from potassium permanganate and water is aqueous solution. So 2 oxygen, 2 hydrogen, 2 hydroxide group is produced. Double bond becomes single bond. 1 hydroxide group is added to the left hand carbon of carbon-carbon double bond, and other hydroxide group is added of the right hand carbon of the carbon-carbon double bond. So this product will be 1,2-dihydroxypropane. As it is propene, so product will be dihydroxypropane or propanediol. Reagent acidified cold potassium permanganate solution. Condition at room temperature cold acidified solution. Reaction type oxidation. Observation purple or pink potassium permanganate solution turns to colorless.